for you to cut the back, you place the front side you cut out. Make sure you arrange it, straighten it well. Yes. Now watch and see what I'll be doing. Make sure you are using your tape. I'm just using a free hand just to show you. Then at this area, you are going to add either 1 inch or 1.5 inch so that your back will be covered. In case if your customer has a big bag, you have to add either 1.5 inch or 2 inches. You mark it out. Hope you can see. You are seeing what I'm doing at that area. You either use your ruler to mark it. I'll be using a free hand. Make sure you use your ruler to get a very straight line. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing at that place. Now you are going to add 3-inch allowance. 3-inch, listen, 3-inch for an adult so that your trouser will not be hanging on your legs. Make sure you add 3-inch, I'm saying it strictly, 3-inch allowance. Then you mark it out at that area. Then look at, I will be joining this place. Then you slant it like this to here. Hope you saw that. A very quick one, as simple as that also. Now just look at, then this place you are going to add 2-inch. Remember, you add 3-inch from the upper part, add 2-inch. Then this down part is 1.5 inch. As simple as that. 1.5 inch. Then you join it like this. Make sure you are using your ruler. I'm sticking on that. Make sure you are using your ruler when doing all this stuff, your ruler and your tape. Then you curve it this way. You curve it. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Very simple and smart. Okay, now your trouser is ready to be cut. Now let's cut it out. Watch how I'll be cutting this out. A simple basic trouser cutting, simple knowledge. I work on comment section. Any mistake you feel like, you can just drop it on the comment section. I will also collect you on that. You can follow me on Facebook at Gabs Tutorial. Then you can drop your question, or you can send me a direct message on Facebook. Hope you are seeing what I'm cutting. Hope your eye is on this video. Okay, I'm still reminding you, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you drop a subscribe and on your notification bell for more video updates. Now look at how I'm cutting this out. Very simple as ABCD. Now having cut that upper part, then you cut this side. Hope you are seeing the way I'm cutting it. Very simple. You can also follow me on TikTok, Instagram. I'm use the same name, Gabs Tutorial. As simple as that. Hope you are seeing how I'm cutting this. I also have other amazing tutorials. Oh yeah, let's cut this. Let's cut. My scissors is not sharp today. Maybe after this video I will get a new scissors. Okay, let's cut. Oh no, my scissors is something else this time around. Now your trouser is ready. This is the back part. If you are ready, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on Facebook. Thank you, lots of love to you.